Okay, so here's a great question. What is the role of the prosecutor in a traffic case? So, whether it's the city or the county or one of the municipalities around St. Louis, there's always going to be an individual named as the prosecutor. The prosecutor is an individual hired by the government to not necessarily make the law, but execute the law. So, for instance, in a traffic matter, let's say you are charged with speeding. The cop pulls you over, writes you a ticket. You show up to court. You'll probably see someone who looks like a cop. That's probably the bailiff. There's the judge, and then the prosecutor. So the prosecutor's job is to in that kind of situation is to recommend to the judge what should be done with your ticket. Now, if you were to go in by yourself, it's called pro se, acting as your own attorney, you wouldn't have much luck talking to the prosecutor because the prosecutor wouldn't probably give you hardly any time to speak, which is the benefit of hiring an attorney like myself to negotiate something with the prosecutor, because the prosecutor's job is to figure out whether or not your type of charge, again, let's say speeding, is the type of charge or ticket that can be reduced down to something less. So what we do with the prosecutor is very simple. We negotiate a deal, plea bargain, if you will, where we get the traffic ticket amended down to a non-moving violation so that there's no points on your record and your insurance stays the same. Now, that all sounds pretty simple, and it kind of is for someone like me as a traffic ticket attorney. But again, here's the main point to be taken, I think, from this. If you were to try and deal one-on-one with the prosecutor in a municipality, the county, and certainly the city, you wouldn't have a whole heck of a lot of luck. Why? Because there's about 100, 200 other people in the same room who have the same types of tickets, and the prosecutor's not going to spend his or her time talking with every single one. So the prosecutors in and around St. Louis are generally nice people. I know a lot of them on a personal basis. So when you hire a law firm such as Brinkman and Alter, you know that you're going to be in good hands. We have a relationship with the court, with the judge, with the prosecutors. A lot of time these prosecutors are prosecutor for more than one municipality. So they serve various jurisdictions. Anyways, if you have a speeding ticket and you're worried about dealing with the prosecutor or how that person executes his job duties, please do give us a call. We'll help you out, answer all your questions, help guide you through this process from start to finish. If this video was helpful, please do like it. Also, we have a YouTube channel that you might want to subscribe to because there's other information you might find useful as well. Give us a call.